everyone, this is Tip from YourSixStudios. Today in this video I'm going to go and show you how to reset your PlayStation VR2 controller. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So with the launch of the PlayStation VR2, it seems like there is some software related issues with the controllers, and resetting the controller can help resolve these issues. Now to simply reset it, flip the controller over and you will see a small pinhole that you can go ahead and press in right here, right next to the trigger. That will reset the controller. Now the PlayStation website instruction says turn off the PlayStation 5. So I'm going to hold down the power button right here. I will hear one beep and then I will hear another beep and my PlayStation 5 will completely turn off. Then I'm going to locate the pinhole once again right here. And I'm going to go ahead and reset it by putting in a toothpick and holding this down for about 5 to 10 seconds. Now you may need something smaller than a toothpick because it seems like most of them are a little bit too large. Your controller should go ahead and reset now. Then what you want to go ahead and do is simply plug in your PSVR controller with a USB cable to the front of the console, as you can see. Then press the PlayStation button and turn on the PS5. And you should be good to go. Your controller should be reset now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.